Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher, and if you want to teach your children Quran Pak with proper tajweed, you can contact us. Thank you. Now we will start our today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first letter is Ain. Please remember, Ain has no dot and it comes from the middle of the throat. Now please repeat after me. Ain, Ain, Ain. Our next letter is Ghain. It is same as Ain, but it has one dot at the top and it comes from the top of the throat. Now please repeat after me. Ghain, Ghain, Ghain. Our next letter is Fa. Please remember, Fa has one dot at the top and it makes F sound. Now please repeat after me. Fa, Fa, Fa. Our next letter is Qaf. It has two dots at the top. Qaf is a heavy letter, so please read Qaf with full and heavy sound. Now please repeat after me. Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. Our next letter is Kaf. It looks like Ba and Ta, but it has no dot. Kaf is a thin and light letter. Now please repeat after me. Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. Please remember, these two letters have similar sound, Qaf and Kaf. But there is some differences, so we have to make difference between these two letters. It is Qaf and it has full and heavy sound. Qaf, Qaf. And this is Kaf. Kaf has thin and light sound, so you have to make difference between both letters. Kaf, Kaf. Now please repeat after me. Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. And next is Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. Next letter is Lam. When we have a straight line like Alif joined with U shape is called Lam. It makes L sound and it has no dot. Now please repeat after me. Lam, Lam, Lam. Our today's lesson is completed now. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Take care. Allah Hafiz.